I am your doctor Ram Prahlad, consultant medical oncologist at Mallareddy Cancer Hospital and Research Institute. Today I am going to enlighten you the three important things in the management of cancer. The three important things in the management of cancer is first thing is counseling, second thing is also counseling, and third thing is also counseling. Counseling plays a key role in the management of cancer because cancer management is multimodality management. So there are three types of counseling. One is a patient counseling, other is a family counseling, and third is a genetic counseling. In the patient counseling, we try to explain the patient what the cancer he is suffering with, what is the stage of the cancer, and what are the treatment modalities that are available for this cancer, and also the prognosis of this cancer. And also we try to give the moral support to the patient and also psychological support to the patient. So this plays a key role in the management of cancer. And second counseling is family counseling. Here not only the patient, also the family should be counseled thoroughly. Why? Because after giving treatment, the patient becomes weak due to the chemotherapy. So it is the family who has to give the moral support and financial support and also well-being of the patient, and that plays a key role in order to boost in the morality of the patient. So family counseling also plays a very key role in the management of cancer. The third important counseling is genetic counseling, where more than two members are affected with the same cancer. We try to give a genetic counseling to the patient, and also we ask them to undergo the genetic test for the patient who is suffering with the cancer. By giving genetic counseling, we try to predict the other family members who are going to suffer the cancer in near future and try to explain them the risk and prognosis of those cancers. So cancer management depends upon the thorough counseling of the patient and attenders. It builds the morality and also the psychological support of the patient.